Welcome to Live Lounge 2025.
I'm your host, Louis, and today we're going to be seeing some acts who are going to take us to astronomical heights. And join with me, sorry.
Yeah, I'm Tommy. You've met me before, guys. Come on. Right, coming up now, we have Chariot. I hope you guys enjoy. But I know I am here to love you the most. When you go, end up naked, a standing joke. You made this harder than it ever had to be. Well, that's just fine. We'll argue some other time. Well, that's just fine. We'll argue some other time. Get your hands off of me. You're too close and I can no longer breathe. You made this harder than it ever had to be. Well, that's just fine. We'll argue some other time. Well, that's just fine. We'll argue some other time. You made this harder than it ever had to be. Well, and heaven knows I love her the most. And heaven knows our show came close. Well, that's just fine. We'll argue some other time. Well, that's just fine. We'll argue some other time. Thank you. That was called Heaven Knows.
We'll be playing a cover next. This one's called Cut Your Hair by Pavement.
It is indeed. All good. Darling, don't you go and cut your hair. Do you think it's gonna make him change? And that's a pretty nice haircut. Charts are like a puzzle. Hitman wearing muzzles. you die. Look around, around. The second drummer drowned. His telephone was found. Music seems crazy. Bands start up each and every day. I saw another one just the other day, a special new band. I don't remember lying, I don't remember lying, I don't remember a word, but I don't care, I care, I really don't care. Did you see the drummers had a advertising looks and chop some must. No big ass! Songs mean a lot when songs are bought, and so are you. Face right down to the practice room. Attention and a face. Your career, 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 career. Thank you very much. Thank you. This next song we're gonna do is called a Game of Tricks. Yeah. Thank you. But you owe that to me. I've entered the game. My bricks left knives in the back of me. Too sorry to call on no more when they're attacking me. I climb onto the house, weed to water the trees, and then you come calling me down. I put out my disease. But you owe that to me. And I'll never ask for the truth, but you owe that to me. And I'll never ask for the truth, but you owe that to me. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah, thank you very much. So next one we're gonna do is an original. It's called Molotov. We hope you enjoy. That's our last song as well. Swear my limbs were crossed. Heard they spoke just because. Bus filled with Molotov. Your tears are never enough. Will, I got you inside, now you're all with. Heard God was packing heat until he met me. Molotovs are straight, them from the wrong way. What do you say when nothing's gonna cut it? To God I swear, these lies are all you hear. He's infected your innards with his pain. Then let's call it a break. Shut up, you can wait. Let's call it a break. Shut up, you can wait. Molotovs are straight, been from the wrong way. What do you say when nothing's gonna cut it? Molotovs are straight, been from the wrong way. What do you say when nothing's gonna cut it? Yeah. Molotovs are straight, been from the wrong way. What do you say when nothing's gonna cut it? Molotovs are straight, been from the wrong way. What do you say when nothing's gonna cut it? You've made your choice. Molotov's your boy. You've made your choice. Molotov's your boy. Thank you very much. We've been Chariot. Thank you very much.
That was genuinely like a really outstanding performance. That was great. Well done, honestly. That was Chariot. Wow. I got the name right. Right. Who've got next, Louis?
Up next, we have the Marinas.
Ooh. But the boats. Right. We've got a quick little video clip for you, and after that, we'll be back with the Marinas. Enjoy.
Hey,
Hey,
I'm Tommy. You know me. I'm your host for Live Lounge. I'm joined with...
Ollie.
This is Ollie. Ollie, can you just tell me quickly what it is that you do?
I mess with the faders on here, make
Oh.
everyone sound semi alright.
So you're like a stream tech?
I'm like a street.
Oh, okay.
It's kind of like my thing.
So like, exactly what you do, like, what's it consist? You do perhaps like, do you like change it for like each person?
I
Or is it
do,
like-
yeah. So what I'll do is we'll mix each of the bands on here before they play live.
Yeah,
We'll save them as a patch, assign them to one of these guys here,
yeah.
and then when they come on, we click one of their patches, the faders
Oh, wow.
move just like so, and they're ready to go.
So you got like all like labels here.
We do,
about
yeah.
stuff I can't understand. But I'm guessing this is just to help you mix it and whatever.
It tells us what inputs come through to which channel.
All right, cool. All right, awesome.
Yeah.
That's Ollie the Sound Tech.
Why don't you come over here, she said. Well, I can't get all these stories on my head. Woke up, crashed out in the airport. Turned on the news, there was nothing to report. Asked the store clerk for that day's paper. Headline read about an old jigger going through his average daily routine. Waking up in the morning, making sure they're all clean. Going out to their bar from hour to hour until that morning when you forgot their shower. And that's how you get your pay on an average slow stay. After reading the headline, I thought it was strange. Started frantically flicking from page to page. Most of them were empty or lacked anything new until an even weirder story appeared out the blue about a local man who shoved a koala up his and an escape pelican who wasn't very smart. Tried to crash the band's gig, then finally be cool to get in the scene and be part of their crew. And that's how you get your pay on an average slow stay. Finally got home that night begging for some sleep. Stuck worrying of worsening anomalies. How to get it to stop, I wouldn't know. Maybe actually it wasn't very slow. That would explain the journalist slowly rising pay. And the chipmunk who turned out to be very slightly gay. Turns out the reader was actually very skewed. And in the end there was a whole lot of news. Daily Mail front page read of a very odd guy who would pick ketchup on anything, even a fly. Many people came along to break his jaw, as he always seemed to escape straight from the law. And that's how you get your pay on an average slow stay. Thank you. That was an original song called Slow News Day there. Next up, we have a cover of a little song by Liam Lynch called United States of Whatever. I went down to the beach and saw Kiki. She was all like, and I'm like, yeah, whatever. Then down at the pool hall, this girl comes up, she's all like, Hinge head doing, and I'm like, yeah, whatever. Then this girl comes up to me, she's all like, oh, and I'm like, yeah, whatever. Cause this is my United States of whatever. And this is my United States of whatever. Then I'm on the corner with my lever. The dude comes up and he's all like, hey, punk. And I'm like, yeah, whatever. Then I'm throwing dice in the alley. Officer Leroy comes up and he's all like, hey, I thought I told you. And I'm like, yeah, whatever. Then up comes Alfred and I'm like, hey, Alfred, something like enough. And it's like, cool. Cause this is my United States of whatever. This is my United States of whatever. Now I have one little last song here for you guys. This is an original called Breeder's Life, and Leland on the bass. That's going to start off. Let's practice geriatrics and grow old together, sleep in the same bed, and swallow the same pills. Use our past and trauma as a crutch for conversation. Resentment may build with time, but why care if it matters? Now we may stray apart with time, but let's stay together for our kids and the grandchildren that may follow in the steps that we have took. Living the classic breeder dream, throwing out our hopes to build a family they actually wanted one day. But if it's our choice now, we can't say. Now after all this time, it's coming out. Letting out the anger with constant shouts. No need for reason if love is the picture. Even if there isn't room for any future. Now we may stray apart with time, but let's stay together for our kids and the grandchildren that may follow in the steps that we have took. Living the classic breeder dream, throwing out our hopes to build a family we may actually want it one day. But if it's our choice now, we can't say. It all just keeps on building up. 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 We're running out at midnight because we lost control again. Another night of ambulances, the lights of the sirens flashing outside. The scars that were made are still left. In a couple of years we'll just forget, 'cause it will be just fine. In the end it will be just fine. Living the classic breeder dream, throwing out our hopes to build a family we may actually want it one day. But if it's our choice now, we can't say. Thank you, we're at the Marinas.
I like the scream in that.
Yeah, that was
The
cool.
scream was really cool.
Really
I
cool.
enjoyed that. That was Marinas, guys.
Marinas.
Yeah, we didn't finish our joke before. Should we finish our joke?
Yeah, we hope you got your fishing rods ready.
Yeah, we were gonna say we hope you got your fishing rods ready, which you're about to catch. What was it? What was it?
Catch some banging tunes.
Catch some banging tunes. Yeah.
so
Well, for our final act, what is it? Come on.
we have Driftwood.
Oh, he got it.
I got
He
it.
got it. What, Driftwood. Right. One more quick little video. Be right back at you with Driftwood.
Hello, Live Lounge. I'm Tommy. You know me. I'm joined now with Ruby. Ruby, hello.
Hi.
Hello. Can you just tell me a little bit about your roles?
Yeah, I'm a performer and a streaming technician, but my first role is a performer.
Okay.
So I chose to sing 2 songs by Lana Del Rey and Chase Atlantic, because Chase Atlantic is personally one of my favourite bands, but Lana Del Rey was more of just a choice personally for vocal reasons.
Yeah.
So
So yeah, you told me before you've seen Chase Atlantic before.
I have, yeah.
Alright, cool. So you should know what you're doing with that then.
Yeah. Yeah, they didn't actually perform that song that I'm doing in Live Lounge live.
Alright.
In the gig I've seen them at, but I have listened to the song multiple
Okay,
times, so I
cool.
do know how
Yeah.
the song is supposed to go.
What about your stream technician job? What's that like? What do you do for that?
Basically, I've just been tasked with changing the camera angles, like on
Yeah.
the input buttons. Like, so when like Kian or whoever puts their like finger up for the numbers, I basically just have to change to those cameras in time for the shots to be
Yeah.
put right, so that's basically my role in that.
All right.
But it's not my first role. Performance,
Yeah.
my first role.
Yeah. So well, good luck with your performance and good luck with your
Thank
camera
you.
operating.
Thank you.
Hold on, John. John, hold on. It's gonna be alright. You're gonna win the fight. Hold on, Yoko. Yoko, hold on. It's gonna be alright. You're gonna make the fight. And when you're by yourself, there's no one else. Have yourself and you tell yourself. Hold on, world. World, hold on. It's gonna be alright. You're gonna see the light. And when you're one, really one, well, you get things done like they've never been done. Thank you. For the second song we're going to be playing is Fond Farewell by Elliott Smith. It's a bit too loud. Bright lights now black and white. She took apart a picture that wasn't right. Pitch burning on a shining sheet. The only maker that you wanna meet. Dying man in a living room. The shadow bases a fool. Take you out in the open door. This is not my life.
not what I'm like. It's just a fond farewell to a friend. Couldn't get things right. A fond farewell to a friend. Said really I just wanna dance. Good and evil match, perfect, it's a great romance. And I can deal with some psychic pain if it'll slow down my higher brain. Veins full of disappearing ink, vomiting in the kitchen sink, disconnecting from the missing link. This is not my life, it's just a fond farewell to a friend. It's not what I'm like, it's just a fond farewell to a friend. Couldn't get things right. A fond farewell to a friend. I see you leaving me, taking up with the enemy. The cold comfort of the in-between, a little less than a human being, a little less than a happy high, a little less than a suicide. Only things that you really tried. This is not my life, it's just a fond farewell to a friend. It's not what I'm like, it's just a fond farewell to a friend. Couldn't get things right. A fond farewell to a friend. It's just a fond farewell to a friend. Thank you. We are Driftwood, and for our final song, we're going to be playing Nutshell by Alice in Chains. But before we do, I'm going to give a voice crack. Going to give a little bit of an introduction. So I'm Ruben, I'm singing, and I'm playing rhythm guitar. On lead guitar we have Kofi. On drums we've got Danny, and on bass we've got Yuan. Okay. Christmas spring lights. Face the path of time, and yet I fight this battle all alone. No one to cry to, no place to go home. is real. Mine, privacy is real. And yet I find repeating in my head, if I can't be my own, I'll feel better dead. Thank you.
You know. Wow. Okay. Right, we're in this one. Oh, we're on this one. Right, everyone. That was Driftwood. Oh, who's all these people? Hello, everyone. Hello. Hi, Abby. Right, that's been your live lounge for 2025. Louis, did you enjoy it?
I enjoyed every single part of it, and big shout out to everyone behind us.
Yeah, absolutely. Right, let's point out a few people here. Right, can all the camera people just give us a little cheer? Everyone's worked on cameras. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Back there. If you look in the booth back there, we've got Ollie. That's been the sound technician for this, and then we've also got Lewis. Who's been doing most of the stream technician as well. Yeah. Right. Right. All the bands as well. So we've got Assembly Point there. Yeah, it's Assembly Point. Right. We've got Chariot. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Right. We've got the Marinas. Oh yeah, Marinas. Yeah. Right. Who else have we had? We had Driftwood. Just then. Whoa. Hope you guys enjoyed Driftwood. Yeah, get Kofi on this. What's going on here? He's all in the corner. All right. A Bluefin, yeah, and then we also had who's that other one? AP again, yeah. And then we had low attendance. All right, then I could give a oh, and Sam, solo band. Oh, and Silas, bagpipe man, and Ruby. Yeah, right. And then we got Kian. Oh, and Kian. And then we got the main man, the myth, legend. We have Jacob behind you, just there. And we got all the lighting people and whatever. Right, that's all them. Right, I really hope you guys have enjoyed Live Land this year. We all have. So, everyone, one more big clap for everyone. Yeah. And we'll see you next year, won't we, Louis?
Yeah, we'll see you next year.
Right. Bye bye.